HCF. What is the full form of HCF?
Highest common
Highest
factor.
common factor.
Highest common factor. So anybody who would like to elucidate the trick that we learned yesterday? Who would like to explain the trick that we learned yesterday? Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Okay, okay. Who would like to give me an idea? क्या डिस्कस किया था कल बच्चे हम लोगों ने? See now we yes Aisha.
Ma'am, first if we having 2 or 3 numbers, we have to look at the smallest number of them, and
Beautiful.
then we have to find the factors of the smallest number.
Yes.
If we get any common factors, we will have to multiply them, or we will have to take them directly.
See, we have to focus on the smallest number, that is for sure. And then we have to take the factors of that number and we have to check by what factor the rest numbers are also divisible. Fine. Let me just give you an example on that. Okay, let's start. Now, okay, student, you just try it out. So the technique says, we'll first focus on the smallest number, which is 30, and then we'll try to find the factors of 30. This is basically 15 or 2. Then let's check with 15. 15 is 42 divisible by 15? No. So 15 cannot be the factor. So again, you have to bifurcate into 5 and 3.
Then
Now,
3.
2 again is divisible, 42 is divisible by 2, but 135 is not divisible by 2. So we'll just put a cross here. ये नहीं होगा. 5 देखेंगे तो 542 जो है is not divisible by 42. So again we'll cross this 5 and we are left with only 3. So this is the HCF. Got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Got this? Aisha?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Anika? Okay, Arosha, Apur, is this clear? I hope you
Yes,
remember this. Okay, okay, let's take on the another example. Okay, you do it on your own. Hurry up, try. Very good, Nidansh. It's 15.
15.
Yes, 15.
15.
Because 45, the small, just a moment, there's somebody. So 45, sorry, it's 15. It's basically 15 into 3. Fine. Now 3, yes, this is divisible by 60 and as well as 75. So yes, it is one of the factor. And if you concentrate out here, 5 and 3. Now, but 15 4 जाए 60, 15 5 जाए 75. तो सब कुछ divisible है 15 से. 15 से सब कुछ divisible है, तो will not consider this 3. पहले हम 15 को check करेंगे. I'll just redo this example. I don't want anybody to left with any of the confusion. Just a moment. Okay. So we have two factor 15 and 3. ठीक है? 45 से नहीं divisible होता है 60 and 75, तो इसको हमको bifurcate करना ही पड़ेगा. And then we'll bifurcate as 15 and 3. Now 15 से divisible by 60 is divisible by 15. 15 4 जा 60 होता है. 15 5 जा 75 होता है. So student, factor is HCF is 15. मतलब बड़ा वाला नंबर ही फर्स्ट डिवीजन ही अगर आपका पूरा पूरा डिविजिबल है, so that is the factor. Note down this example. This is an important example. Shall we proceed to the next example? Yes or no? Shall we?
Yes.
All right. So again, consider this example.
4.
Yes, 4. HCF is 4. So now can you do it mentally? Are you able to do it mentally? आप मन में कर पा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Anybody has confusion? Why it is 8? It is 4. Why it is 4? किसी को confusion है?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
पक्का
मैम है.
है. Okay. So let me just clarify this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically क्या हो रहा है? We'll focus on the first number 8. 8 we can see that it is not 20 से divisible नहीं है, 28 से भी नहीं है. So हमको एक भी number से divisible नहीं है, तो we should proceed with the factor 3 method. 4 and 2. तो हम पहले 4 पे concentrate करेंगे. Yes, 4 is a factor. सब कोई divisible है 4 से?
Yes.
So yes, it is the HCA. Is this clear? Is this clear, students? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next example. Now you try it on your own. Everybody, अपने आप try करें please. 60, 84 and
12.
12. Yes. देखिए, पहला आप इसका फैक्टर कर सकते थे 15 and 4. Yes, 15 and 4 करा आपने, या somebody might have done it as 12 and 5. दोनों तरीके से कर सकते हैं ना हम. Like
Ma'am, 6 into 10.
हाँ, बहुत कुछ हो सकता था, लेकिन हम पहले इनसे ही चेक कर लेते हैं. 15. So now 84 is not divisible by 15. Right. So we'll further have to bifurcate this 5 and 3. Of course 5 को हम क्रॉस करते हैं क्योंकि ये नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. 3 से डिविजिबल है क्या? Yes, they are divisible by 3. How many of you know the divisibility rule? Anybody who does not know the divisibility rule? Diya, you are in which standard, beta?
Ma'am, I know.
अच्छा, you know. Okay. Anybody else? ऐसा कोई है जिसको डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स नहीं आते हैं? Anyone who does not know the divisibility rule? Okay. मोहक, आप 7th क्लास में है?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
अच्छा, you also know. Okay. Fair enough. Yes. Okay, अब देखिएगा. 4 से भी दोनों नंबर डिविजिबल है, 3 से भी डिविजिबल है. तो 4 and 3 both are the factors. That means 12 is a HCA. इतना टाइम भी नहीं लगता है. You not take this much of time as well. आप देखते ही पता कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? ओके, चलिए आगे बढ़े. Yes, very easy. Yes, 4 and 3. 3 नहीं है, 4 आंसर है. HCF is 4. करेक्ट. आगे बढ़ते हैं. 18 and 22. Hurry up.
Ma'am, 2.
Of course, 2. Why?
2.
Because 2 into 9, but 9 is not the factor, so 2 is the factor. Yes, 22 is also divisible by 2. Anybody has doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट है क्या? नहीं है? पक्का?
Yes, ma'am.
ट्राई करें इसको.
2.
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
4 किसने बोला? Who said 4? देखो 4 क्यों नहीं होगा? You need lot of practice for this. I know.
Ma'am, 2.
4. Yes, 2. But why not 4?
Ma'am,
Anushka.
22 is not divisible.
Yes, because 22 is not divisible by 4, so 4 cannot be the answer. You need to bifurcate it. Yes, and one factor 2. Okay, 16 and 22 both are divisible by 2. So HCF is 2.
2.
Now you have mastered the quiz. Yes.
5.
5. 5. 5. 5. Ma'am, 5.
5 पक्का?
5.
5 पक्का? और तो कुछ नहीं है?
No, ma'am.
नहीं है.
No, ma'am.
Of course नहीं है. Why? Okay. Why? Because 9 and 5. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ आपने क्यों गलत आंसर दिया. ठीक है, 5 is a factor. Yes, तो एक आंसर तो 5 हुआ, पर इधर 9 को देखें. 3 and 3.
Yes.
These numbers are divisible by 3 also.
115.
Yes.
Yes.
So its factor is 15.
15.
Highest common factor is 15. Answer is 15.
Ma'am, can you go one side back?
Yeah, sure. This
Ma'am,
one?
we were
Yeah, you
doing
were
this
asking
question.
this question.
अच्छा, ओहो, I'm sorry. तो अब इसमें क्या हो गया? 2 and 10. Yes, 2 and 10.
Yes.
और 2 को हम क्रॉस कर देंगे. 10 से डायरेक्ट नहीं जा रहा है. 10 से 45 is not divisible by 10.
25.
You need to bifurcate it. Okay. ठीक है, अभी 2 को भी हम क्रॉस करेंगे. 45 2 से नहीं जाता है, so we are left with only one answer, 5. Oh, I thought हम ये वाला क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे. ओके, माय मिस्टेक. सो इट्स 5
5.
is HCF. हाँ. So we have already done this. Answer is 45. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, what is the answer, guys? Now this is an interesting question. What is the answer? Raise your hand and prompt the answer. Raise your hand. Raise your hand, don't prompt the answer. Yes, Pradhansh.
Ma'am, 1.
Absolutely correct. Perfect. Its answer is 1.
1.
Because students are as a principal, आपको सिर्फ 17 पे ध्यान देना है, right? Just focus on the 17.
Yes.
Just a moment. Focus on 17.
Is a prime number.
Yeah, and 17 is a prime number, so you don't have any other answer. Clear? Okay. Is this clear? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer,
Yes,
guys?
ma'am.
What is
I'm
the
on five.
answer?
5.
5.
5.
5. Nothing else? Yes, its answer is 5. अब आप देखते ही बोलोगे. क्यों बोलेंगे आप देखते ही? देखिए, 5 से सब डिविजिबल हो रहा है, बट नेक्स्ट फैक्टर वुड बी 10, है ना? और 10 से यानी 2 से ये 85 डिविजिबल नहीं है. सो आंसर इज डायरेक्टली 5.
5.
Only that you have to play with the numbers. ये कोई ट्रिक नहीं है. Let me give you a very clear idea, very honest idea. This is no trick at all. It's only science and your presence of mind. और आप 50 के फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे 5 and 10. Yes, 5 से डिविजिबल है, but 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. And moreover, ये 25 से भी डिविजिबल नहीं है. So only 5, we are just left with 25. Oh, sorry, we are just left with 5. So 5 is the answer. Okay. So HCF and 36 and 45 would be Harya.
9.
इस तरफ मत रहे, इधर आ. मम्मी को लगेगा ना कि तू लॉबी बैठ के सुन रही.
Anybody else who would like to give another answer? 36 and 45 का आंसर क्या होगा?
3.
No, not 3. ये तो 9 से भी जा रहा है.
9.
9. 9. See, कैसे होगा 9? दिमाग में कैसे किया? 4 9 जा 36. It is divisible by 9. 45 is divisible by 9, but not by 4. तो कस कर देंगे. Straight away, HCF is 9. देखिए आप कितने बड़े-बड़े numbers पे कर पा रहे हैं. एक चीज और. If you have 4-digit, please turn off your mic, everyone. In case you have 4 or 5-digit numbers, don't go with the trick. Don't go with the trick. It is always advisable कि आप जब आपके पास whenever you have questions like this, class 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th student, please turn off your mic. Apu, turn off your mic. Children, see, children, whenever you have questions like this, 7 upon 5 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 7 8 by 9, ठीक है ना? आपको you will definitely come up. I'm addressing to class 8, 9, 10 student. You will definitely come across such equations, or especially x upon 5 plus 7 upon 7x upon 9. तो अभी उस टाइम पर आपको क्या करना है? आपको ये फैक्टर्स जो यहाँ, बिकॉज आप एडिशन कैसे करते हैं अनलाइक डिनोमिनेटर्स का? यू फर्स्ट टेक द एलसीएम, तो आप एलसीएम शॉर्ट ट्रिक से लीजिएगा, there you'll get the application part of this method. So start practicing. छोटे छोटे नंबर्स का ही ये बेनिफिट रहता है, बड़े नंबर्स, बहुत बड़े नंबर्स 4 5 that is not advisable. ठीक है, you may commit mistake. So hurry up quickly. Can you come up with the answer? Come up with the
I'm
answer.
4.
4. This is
10.
10.
10.
10. This is
6.
6.
6.
6.
no, not 4,
Six.
not 4, 6.
6.
7.
7.
7.
7.
18.
8.
18.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
6.
Yes,
6.
6.
6.
12.
Yes,
12.
12.
perfect.
12.
12. 24.
Ma'am,
No,
it's not
no, 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 not 24.
I'm
Its answer
12.
is
12.
yes,
12.
12. 12. Are you sure? 56 and
No, ma'am.
24 का
Ma'am,
बताइए
it's
क्या आंसर?
8. Ma'am, 8.
No, not 8.
Ma'am, it's 8.
बताइए.
Ma'am,
It's
4.
8.
Not
Ma'am, it's
4.
8.
It's 8.
4.
Yes,
Yes.
Table में 58. 8 5 जा 48 6 जा 48 7 8 जा
56.
yes. So its answer is 8.
8.
Correct? आपको समझ में आया 8 क्यों है 56 का आंसर? Because one of the factor is 8 and 3. 3 से it's not divisible. 8 की टेबल में आता है 56. So answer is 8. Got it? So let's proceed with some other sets of numbers.
3.
HCF of 9 and 15 is
3.
3.
HCF of 12 and 30 is
6.
6.
6. HCF, oh sorry, HCF of 18 and
4.
2.
4. 4.
just
two.
let me just, yes, it's 2 or 4, jaldi.
2.
2.
Ma'am, 2.
2 is the right answer. What is HCF of 20 and 35?
5.
5. What is HCF of 42 and 28?
7. 4. 7. 2.
No, no,
Ma'am,
no, no,
4.
no, no, no,
Seven.
no, no.
14.
No. Yes.
Ma'am, 7.
14. 14. What is HCF of 27 and
9.
36? 9.
9.
9. What is HCF of 9?
9.
54 and 18? 9.
9.
9.
Anybody else with a different answer? किसी को different answer देना है? It's 9. What is HCF of 24, 56 and 16?
8.
8.
Perfect. 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 What is HCF of 60, 36 and 24?
6.
12.
No, it's 12. 12. So I hope now you're doing good. So I should move towards the next technique, which is LCM.
Yes.
Shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has an idea what LCM is?
Lowest common
Lowest
multiple.
common multiple.
What are multiples, guys? What are multiples?
Ma'am, the number
The
comes in
numbers
table or
come
something.
multiplying.
Yes, table.
Number
Table.
is divisible by the
Yes. For example, let's see, we have 36 and we have 81 as two numbers. So we can see that 36 is, the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And for 81, the prime factors are 3 into 3 into 3. So what we do, how do we proceed for our, how do we proceed with our traditional method? So we take the common one, ठीक है, और उनको हम एक one time लिख लेते हैं. We take the common one and just write it down once. 3 into 3. That comes to be 9. Then whatever we are left with, so by whatever we are left with, we simply multiply the HCF ठीक है, हम क्या करते हैं, HCF को बाकी जो भी बचा है उससे हम मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. Yes or no? That's the way you used to do. Yeah, another way was जो आप लोग करते थे traditionally, that was 36 and 81. इसी तरह से आप प्राइम फैक्टर्स लेते थे, कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स लेते थे, है ना? Yes or no? So you do it with 2, right? So you got 18, 81. फिर आप 3 से कर लेते थे, 3 6 are 18. 327 is 81. Then you do it with 3, 2, 9. इस तरह से करते रहते थे, यही था ना? Yes or no, student?
Yes, ma'am.
2 1 6 2 1 1. ऐसे ही बच्चे आप लोग करते थे ना? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, student, you don't have to follow this procedure. For example, if you want to identify, find the LCM of 6 and 8. तो आप पहले कॉमन नंबर एक बार लिखते थे, जो भी कॉमन है HCF, you write it once, ठीक है, and thereafter whatever is remaining 3 2 2, इनसे आप इस HCF को मल्टीप्लाई करते थे. This was the traditional approach that you used to follow. Am I clear? Please take the screenshot.
Again, ma'am, there was network issue.
There was a network issue. Okay. So you are in which class, beta?
Ma'am, 7th.
Okay, 7th. So you might have come across finding the HCF and LCM of two numbers. So what you used to do, जो भी इनमें common होता था, you take the prime factors like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You take the prime factors like this, of which whatever is the common number, you just simply write it out once. जो भी common होता है उसको एक बार लिखते हैं, और जो भी uncommon होते हैं, you write all those digits, and then later on you multiply them, and here comes the LCM, isn't it? So this was the traditional way you used to find the LCM. I would advise class 6 and 7, and for that matter, everybody to take a screenshot of the traditional approach as well. Taken? Student taken? Screenshot taken, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. Okay,
That.
fair enough, fair enough. So, okay, so now the multiple of 18 and got 18 and 60. Pehले I really want you to do it on your own. Find the LCM of 18 and 60. Let's just and count on the time as well. Just see how much time do you take. I really want everybody to join in time. So probably you are taking more than a minute.
60.
18 and 60 is 60. No, it's not 60.
180.
It's 180. It's 180. All right. So student, what if I allow you to, what if I give you a technique that works within 2 seconds? Wouldn't that be a time saving for you? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. Perfect. So let's see what the trick is. The answer is LCM of this number is 56. The answer is LCM of this number is 60. The answer of this is probably 14 into 13, which is 4 and 3, so 12. And 17 plus 1 is So basically it's 182 और इसका LCM आएगा इसका no इसका LCM would come like 16 and 24 का LCM 24 2 is how much
48
48 16 3 जा 48 तो इसका LCM is 48 एंड इसका LCM भी चलो मैं आपको बता ही देती हूँ 2 है 4 है 6 आता 8 10 and 12 so it's basically 60 so इतना सा ही टाइम लगेगा आप लोगों को ये टेक्निक करने में so you want to learn the technique yes or no
yes ma'am
so from tomorrow I'm going to allow only two students who join in time they should be in time they should be on time but not after that because discipline is the prerequisite of every successful target success based target so let's proceed with it let's remove all things and let's learn the trick is student let's begin with a simple number what's the trick see 6 जो है ना 6 जो है ना वो 12 की टेबल में आता है नहीं
Yes,
आता
ma'am.
है आता है
no ma'am
6 2 जा 12 6 जो है it is a multiple of 12 6 is a multiple of 12 so simply cut 6 ठीक है 6 जो है 12 का मल्टीपल है तो सिंपली आप 6 को कट कर दें अच्छा 12 जो है वो 18 का मल्टीपल है क्या
No.
no ma'am no
no तो हम क्या करेंगे 18 now in the HCF what we used to do we concentrate on the smallest number but here we'll concentrate on the largest number the biggest number so 18 and now we'll start saying the table of 18 how much 18 to ja 18 to 36 so now wait a minute is 12 a multiple of 36
yes ma'am
sorry is 30 I'm sorry is 36 a multiple of 12 yes
no
is 36 a multiple of 18 yes so LCM is 36 got this let me just re-explain it to you what I told you what I told you that 6 and 12 so 12 is a multiple of 6 तो आप 6 को काट दें छोटे वाले को काट दें जो मल्टीपल है उसको रहने दें जिस नंबर का मल्टीपल है उसे काट दें now we know that 12 and 18 they are not multiple of each other any कोई भी 12 is 18 is not a multiple of 12 so we just focus on 18 and then 18 के further multiples आप count करेंगे so it comes out to be 36 ठीक है now we can see that 18 2 ja is 36 see 18 2 is 36 and 12 3 ja is 12 3 ja is again 36
36
so yes 36 is a multiple of both number ठीक है 6 तो कट ही गया 36 is a multiple of 18 36 is also multiple of 18 so answer is 36 is LCM yes or no first please write down the trick write down the trick student
मैं बहुत ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूँ मेरे को तो माल उनको बीट किए मुझे मैंने फरवरी या मार्च में उनको बीट किया था तो रिटर्न जो मैंने बुक कराया था और दिसंबर से पहले या दिसंबर में शायद माल आया था वो लॉट गड़बड़ा गया था तो कलेक्ट करके फरवरी या मार्च में भेजा था
Pankaj, Samriddhi, Diya, Yashi, is this clear?
क्या रहेगा
yes ma'am
yes
ma'am
Okay, Manvi, Arosha, Anishka, everybody clear?
yes yes
Okay, now let's, Pankaj, let's do the another question.
अभी मार्केट की कूपन की जो एमआरपी करता था आप बोलोगे तो मैं भेज दूंगा
All right. Now, Pankaj, it's your turn.
हाँ
What do you think it's going to be the LCM of 8, 20, 28 and 44? 8, 20, 28 and 44.
जैसे कल सुबह निकलूंगा तो अपन ज्यादा क्लियरली तो अपन सैटरडे को ही बात कर पाएंगे, है ना? मैं इन द मीन बात करके अपन आप मैं आपसे ही बात करूंगा, मैं सर से बात नहीं करूंगा, है ना?
Can you just try it out once? चलिए थोड़ा सा सिंपल एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको पहले देती हूँ. जस्ट अ मोमेंट, स्टूडेंट, लेट्स स्किप दिस. हाँ, लेट्स टेक ऑन द सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. पहले हम इसको ट्राई करते हैं. 7, 14, 28 and 56. सी 7 की टेबल में 14 आता है.
यस मैम.
तो हम 7 को कट कर देंगे. Now 14 की टेबल में 28 आता है.
यस मैम.
14 2 is 28. 14 को भी कट कर दिया. 28 की टेबल में 56 आता है.
यस मैम.
इसको भी कट कर दिया. So LCM is 56. Okay, is this clear? Kindly copy the copy the example, please. चलिए दिया, आप बताइए कैसे करेंगे सेकेंड वन. Mohak wants to do this.
Ma'am, it's 30.
No, it's not 30.
चालू कर दिया क्या आपने? वहीं रहो अभी.
चलिए 5 का टेबल. Anybody, any volunteer?
काम के लिए आए हो?
Any volunteer? Who's this? Who said 60? Who said 60? Ridansh. Okay. See, 5 की टेबल में 15 आता है. आता है तो 5 को कट कर दे. 15 की टेबल में 30 आता है तो 15 को कट कर दे. कट कर दिया 5 and 15 को. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
कर दिया क्या सब जने? Everybody?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now we are left with 2 number 20 and 30, but ये दोनों में से कोई किसी की टेबल में नहीं आता है. So first नंबर पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे, उसका नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल कहेंगे 60. 32 जाए 60, but 32 is 60, but 23 is also 60. So LCM is 60. Got this? Got this
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
Very good.
Yes.
Now 7 की टेबल में 14 आता है. आता है?
Yes ma'am.
कट कर दे क्या? किसको कट करें?
7.
कर दिया, कट कर दिया. अब क्या करें? 14 and 13. Now 13 is a prime number, so definitely ये कभी भी टेबल में आएंगे नहीं. So very important. This is very important, student. LCM of 14 and 13. I mean they have no common factor. 14 very important. Kindly note it down. Has no common फैक्टर. तो ऐसे जो नंबर होते हैं ना जिसपे कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होता है, वी कॉल देम एज को-प्राइम नंबर. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रिमेंबर दिस? यू हैव लर्न दिस इन 6th class. How many of you remember what are co-prime numbers? Anybody in 10th? Anybody in 10th?
Yes ma'am.
Again you need to name yourself, please.
Ma'am, Manvi.
Manvi, when you do this, you know, prove that root 2 is irrational.
Yes.
So there you use this term co-prime number. So what are co-prime numbers?
Ma'am, root 2 is, ma'am, that's the NTR question, right? Root 2 is not an irrational number.
Didn't get you. What are you saying? That is the question. You don't have that question. Prove that root 2 is irrational.
Yes, ma'am, you have to MTR it. You have
Okay.
to remember it.
हाँ, अच्छा, maybe, but then there, anyways, do you have any idea what are co-prime numbers?
Ma'am, the numbers which don't have a common factor.
The number which don't have a common factor. So in that case, everybody please take into account, you simply have to multiply both the number. Simply multiply both the number. 14 into 32, 14 into 13. How much is 14 into 13?
182.
182.
182. Perfect. So 182 is LCM. 182 is LCM. LCM is 182. Got this? Got this? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next 4 को काट दें because already आता है. 12 को भी काट दें. Why? क्योंकि वो 24 की टेबल में आता है. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agree. So we are left with only two numbers 16 and 24. 16 and 24 हमारे पास बच गया है, तो हम 24 पे concentrate करेंगे. 24 का next number is 48 and 16 3 is also 48. So LCM is 48. Correct. Now look at the last example because very quickly the meeting is going to be end. Can cut all the three numbers. So we are left with only three numbers 8, 10 and 12. 12 2 जा 24, वो भी नहीं आता है. 12 2 जा 36, 12 4 जा 60. So 60 is the LCM.
Ma'am, it doesn't come in the table of 8.
अच्छा, 12 8 की टेबल में तो 60 नहीं आता है. आता है कि नहीं आता? नहीं आता है. तो अब क्या करें? इसको आगे जाके 120 आता है 8 की टेबल में.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, परफेक्ट. तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को दोबारा एक बार कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है? ये सारे क्वेश्चन देन विल टेक अप सम न्यू टेक्निक